Courtney Perno with Local Living. We've got a 20-year celebration happening right now. We've got A+ Garage Door founder and CEO, Carrie Couch. Welcome to Local Living, and thanks for joining us for the big party here.
Oh, thank you so much. It's just an honor.
Yeah, and you've been in Utah actually for 20 years, new to Las Vegas. Welcome, welcome. 20,000 5-star reviews, you guys.
Yeah.
That is no joke. How did you get there?
You know, it's all about taking care of the customers, making sure that they get what they really are needing and what they're, listen to them,
Right.
listen to them, take care of them like their family. Like, what would I do for my mom, my brother, my aunt?
You guys are based on honesty, speed. Sometimes you can even do same-day service as well. Integrity. Where does that come from? I mean, obviously, she founded the company 20 years ago. We got a little bit of girl power happening here. But let's talk about some of those values.
Yeah, it's really the culture of the whole entire company, and it's very intentional from like who we hire to like we talk to people, and we really get the whole entire company on board with this. Like if they know that this is what drives us and what we're here for.
I can already tell from the energy, just the people that I've met from your company today is absolutely amazing. I would absolutely trust you. And just having you go through some of the tips, I now know that I need you. So let's talk about some of the tips to look for if you have a garage door at home.
Yeah, so one of the things that you really want to look for is your door balanced? If you can pull the red cord and balance it halfway, then you know that it's balanced. If not, your motor's doing all the heavy lifting. You don't want that. That's just gonna burn up your motor.
Okay.
So that's really good to go and check it. Another tip, it would be looking for your bottom sill and your trim that is around. It's like literally a little mini facelift.
And that's what you said. If you have really good trim, it actually can upgrade your house, the look of your house, like a little, like you know, going to the spa for a day for your garage door. I love that.
Yeah.
Let's talk about this special offer you have, because again, they're new to Las Vegas. They want you to try them out. A+ Garage Doors. Tell me about this special offer.
So a $45 tune-up and safety inspection on your garage door. There's a lot that goes into it, but we make sure that your door is very safe and that it's lubed up and sounding like as new as we can get it.
Well, and for me, I'm like, my garage door is probably fine, right?
Yeah.
You think it's fine, but $45 to make sure, isn't that worth it?
Oh, absolutely. Well, and if you take care of your garage door, it takes care of your motor. So it's just like going to the chiropractor. Get everything aligned, you're gonna last a lot longer.
So let's talk about being female-owned and female-founded. I mean, I gotta be honest, I don't know a lot of garage door companies that are owned by a woman, and I love this. How did you get into the business?
You know, as a single mom, just looking for a way to take care of her family.
I love that. And what do you do? What makes you love this?
You know, it's the people. It's always about people. It's the people that I work with, the customers that I get involved with. It's all about the people. It's a relationship-built company.
And I think that's where a lot of trust builds from too. And you think about it, oh, it's just my garage door. But when you think about it's quieter now and the baby doesn't wake up, or it's more secure and I feel safe if my teenager, look, I got goosebumps. I got goosebumps. You know, that's the type of thing that we're talking about. It's not just having the mechanics of your house working well. It's really about well-being. And I'm sure that you guys believe that as well.
100%. Yeah, we know that it's definitely about the security and then also convenience. I mean, there's so many great options that people don't even know that are out there. Like, it connects with Amazon and just so many beautiful things.
I love that. Well, thank you so much for sharing all of that. Don't forget about the special offer, $45 garage door tune-up and safety inspection. Give them a call, aplusgaragedoor.com. It is 702-367-3577. And they also have a showroom on East Sunset that you can check out if you want to see them in person. Thanks for watching Local Living. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you next time.